Welcome to today's video on the BizClimb channel, the road to business success. The title of today's video is how to start a business step by step. 5 online businesses you start with no money. If you haven't, please click subscribe, then press the bell button to turn on notifications so you get alerted when I upload new videos to the channel. Alright, if you are planning on starting your online business, this video, your pen, your paper, and you taking action is all that is required for your success. While some may think of the internet as a get-rich-quick scheme, basic business principles still apply, like figuring out the right marketing channel, insurance for business, your involvement with the SBA, and other trade associations. The truth is, starting a business of any kind entails hard work. For basic requirements, first I would say discover a popular challenge or need and solve it. Then you can sell the solution. This could be a challenge people around you are experiencing or a global one. 2. Write copy that sells. This is like your advertisement or your elevator pitch. Consider engaging a professional if you have no idea about copywriting. Check bizclimb.com/sales_copy for articles on writing a sales copy. Most of your marketing will be derived from this copy. As mundane as it may sound, the value or unique selling proposition of your product comes only second to your marketing plan. 3. Design and build an easy-to-use website. However, don't wait till the site is ready to start your business. Treat the website as a work in progress. Figure out a business name and register a domain name immediately. You will find loads of premium names on regclimb.com, as well as a concise write-up on how to choose the right business name. 4. Use search engines and the social media to drive traffic to your site. 5. Carve your niche. Rather than being the small fish in the large ocean, I would advise you be the big fish in a small river. You would naturally progress into the ocean when you have mastered the river. Again, I ask, what is your unique selling point? This will help you identify many unserved market segments. 6. Set up your emailing system to stay connected with your customers and subscribers. 7. And thus increase your income through back-end sales and upselling. Let's move on to 5 online businesses you can start with little or no money. Why online businesses, you may ask? Well, the answer is brick and mortar business usually require a shop, which implies upfront investment. Thus, the barrier to starting is always higher than compared to online business models. To help you get started right now, we have put together a list of 5 profitable, simple to start businesses that you can start without even quitting your day job. Number 1, launch a drop shipping store. You can start your online store without having your own website or web hosting running. You display your products on reputable e-commerce platforms like Amazon or AliExpress. You may or may not keep an inventory of the products you sell, which implies that you buy and ship the goods from a wholesaler's online store once a customer pays you from your free online store at Amazon, AliExpress, and many more B2C platforms. Again, your focus should be on creating a niche e-commerce site so you can cater for the minute needs of a particular market segment who seek these products but can't find them with the big retailers. The e-commerce platform you are registered with handles fulfillment and shipment to your buyers. Your task is mainly marketing. Number 2, sell your ads online. This business model is similar to dropshipping above, except that the products you offer are generated from your creativity. As such, you enjoy some monopoly which can be converted to a higher profit margin. Sites like ST, iTunes make it extremely easy for artisans who can produce a steady supply of quality handmade products and music to sell their art with zero upfront investment. Number 3, become a freelancer. Open any search engine platform and type in the phrase freelancing sites and be amazed at the ever-increasing platforms that are available for you to start up your business without any barrier whatsoever. Some typical gigs or services people sell on freelancing sites include content or blog writing, graphics design, copywriting, and more as your skills permit. While many may say the writing niche is one of the saturated gigs on freelancing platforms, but it still remains a service where new entrants could easily turn it into a multi-million-a-year business, especially if you can set up a simple portfolio website and move your activities to the next level, where your prospects find you rather than you always trying to get clients' attention on freelance platforms. The demand for fantastic content writers outweighs the supply. Number 4, teach an online course. If you are great at explaining things to people and have ample experience and knowledge in a subject, consider starting an online tutoring business in that field. Did I hear you say you are not intelligent, but you speak 3 languages? Video conferencing platforms like Meet, WhatsApp, and Zoom has made it extremely easy for you to cash out on your language skill. But to quickly attract a pool of customers, you will need to register as a seller on training platforms that you can find via search engines. Number 5, start a blog. You need a website designed and hosted to get started with this idea. I would not advise on using a free platform like Blogger or Google Sites. Rather, a paid host offering a website builder like WordPress using free themes could cut your startup costs drastically. But if you want to keep your cost at zero, at least for startup, then I would recommend you jump on any of the free cloud providers offering free WordPress hosting. This would make life easier for you when you decide to move on to a paid host to enjoy full features. Blogging may seem like an outdated business strategy since nearly everybody talks about it. But how many are consistent with it? It is still very rewarding for the entrepreneur who can give it the long-term consistency it requires, because information and content will always be in high demand. To gain a steady following, you must continually write and produce high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Once you have mastered the creation of consistent content, you can make money through your blog by selling products like online courses, digital coaching, EBOOKs, or webinars. You can also sell ad space or sponsored posts. There will be no caps on how you can monetize your traffic. Before I go, if you think any of the 5 businesses I talked about is your thing, then feel free. Go to the comment section below and ask me for further details on how to get started. I might even make a video on it, giving a step-by-step walkthrough on the particular online business of your interest. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click the like and share button, then the subscribe button to get notified for more of my videos on making money and business success. Till we meet in my next video, stay motivated and keep winning.